you joking now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies.
Hey,
you
go
dreaming
ahead,
about me,
everything.
ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. A body to body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody to body like you do. You do. In the top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Ain't that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Section on you, I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Magic rap shit, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, you guys are zoomed in. There we go. Welcome back to the channel. Excuse the hair. I look like a homeless right now, but I promise you, I got a haircut appointment set up this weekend. It is Friday. I got it set up for Sunday, so no more looking homeless. Gotta start shaving this off too. But today is another fun video because we're making the GR86 louder. Right over here, I got the JDL dual resonated front pipe with the overpipe combo. Picked this up pre-loved. It looks fairly new still because apparently the guy who bought it, he thought that this was for an automatic because my man drives an automatic, but it's actually for the manual, which I didn't realize was the thing. So seller, shout out to you for letting me know that there is a difference. Otherwise, I would have picked up an automatic without even knowing it. But in our case, we got the manual because, hey man, who drives a GR86 and gets an automatic, man? Unless there's a really good reason why, because you know this shit is slow. And if you get an automatic, well, I can't imagine how boring it'd be to drive this thing. But hey, if you guys have an automatic and you guys drive this thing, you guys have a blast, let me know what your experience is like. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and take the OEM front pipe and overpipe off. Go ahead and throw this new one on. Let's go. All right, the car is in the air now. I spared you guys and skipped past the whole process of me jacking this car up because you guys know how much I hate that part. But let's go ahead and go under and see what we're up against. All right, y'all. Starting under the car. Damn it. I thought they were 10 mil. Well, we got to take this whole cover off to get access to the overpipe. And then we'll start taking everything apart. I thought it was a 10 mil, but apparently not. Maybe a 12?
I think it might be too late, we're too far gone. Chemistry's frozen, we feel disconnected and exposed.
Finally.
I can't remember when last did we feel familiar.
Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. You're gonna have these push tabs, a couple 10s, a bunch of 12s. Once you take that off, boom, headers into your overpipe and then your front pipe. All right, starting at the front pipe connection to your, what do you call this thing? Your cap back. I should have lifted this back up too. Oh my. Oh, finally. Jesus. Alright, so let's move towards the front of the car. Up next, we got a nut there and then a nut on the other side. This connects the front pipe to the overpipe. Go ahead and take that off and we should be able to pull the front pipe right out. All right, y'all, so finally got the front pipe off. A lot more work than I expected, but if you have the right tools, I think you'll be in a better spot than I am. Make sure you guys are using a 6-point socket. I barely found one. For some reason, nobody has a 14 mil socket that is 6-point. So yeah, make sure you're using a 6-point, otherwise you're gonna strip the fuck out of your bolt or your nut. This one should be easier. It's right there. All you do is your overpipe to the header, and it's literally right here. Went to the parts store, picked up some 6-point 14 mil. Hey, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you call this? The limited edition?
This is the Release Series 1.0.
Release Series 1.0, man. Hey, what do you guys think about this? These wheels, bro. My man swap out the gram lights for some more gram lights, man.
Hey, return on investment.
This guy is a real estate agent.
Demon, bro. You know how there's a work demon? There's the freaking Sylvia demon? This is the gram light demon, bro.
This right here is the marketplace demon.
Who, me? Yeah.
My God. So I finally got the overpipe off of the header. Now it's just stuck here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start removing the motor mounts, the engine mounts. You see I already got that one side off. I need to get the other side, and then I'm gonna start jacking it up just a couple inches just so I have some clearance. This is a 17 mil, so we got one right there and one right here, and then we should be able to jack this up just enough so we can remove that. I mean, I've seen some people fight with it. You know, you can fight with it. I'm gonna just do it this way. I think it's easier. So I got my jack under the oil pan now. Got a wood block right there just so I don't pierce right through the oil pan. And then we're just gonna go up just a couple inches and see what happens. If you guys see a change of clothes in the next clip, it means we fucked up. There you go. I got the new overpipe on there. I'm telling you, so much easier if you just take off the 2 nuts, lift up the engine just like 3 inches or so. Easy out. Not sure why people are afraid of, you know, touching the motor mounts, but I mean, I did on my E92, 335, my M3. Now I'm moving to this one. It's fine, bro. All right, y'all, just for fun, bro. We're about to see what it sounds like. Open headers. Here. Open headers, man. Throw a jack engine light or no?
Yes. What the fuck?
Ah, shit, my key's on the toolbox, Johnny.
Oh my. Legend, bro.
You're not gonna hear from back there, you're gonna hear from the front.
Oh shit, I forgot. Your exhaust is connected. So loud. That shit's so loud. What the hell?
Smell it.
Alright, hey, give me some reps.
Huh?
Let me hear some, let me hear some. Hey, look here.
What?
Sound good.
That's so loud, what the heck?
Oh my.
Good for the track? Hey, that's good for the track or not?
Yeah, bro.
Smell like popcorn.
Oh my god, this tastes so bad here.
Now that's what it sounds like, open headers. We're not gonna do that, bro. We're gonna hook up our exhaust. So if you ever wanna go open headers and you wanna know what it sounds like, that's what it sounds like.
Okay. I like how it sounds. It's a very
If this
great
was
car.
a was it
Track
exclusive track car, I would do it. But nah. Header dump, bro.
It sounds good though.
But this is a daily, so we're putting the exhaust back on. Alright, so I made a stop at the dealership to get this donut gasket. If you guys need the part number, this is what it is. $30 by the way, dealership. Alright, y'all. So we have a big ass exhaust leak because I got the wrong donut flange or the donut gasket. But here's what it sounds like right now.
monoxide poisoning, bro.
Bruh, it is now a week later. Finally got the right donut gasket as well as the flat gasket. Excuse me if my voice sounds weird. I just got back from my dentist and they numbed the fuck out of my mouth, bro. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and put these on. You know, in other words, I've been driving around for about a week with the whole ass exhaust leak, bro. That shit sounds ghetto. But not anymore, because we got the gaskets now. Let's go. All right, here it goes. Semi-cold start. Hopefully no leaks this time. Fix one leak. Now we have V-band leak. A leak at the V-band, bro. Went and readjust the overpipe to header and the overpipe to the front pipe. Let's hope there's no leaks. If there's leaks, I fucking give up, bro. Here goes nothing. I think there's no leaks. I hear clicking noises, but I don't think that's a leak. I think that's just the crickets, man. Hey, man. I give up, man. If you can hear the leaks, just turn your music louder. Let's hear some revs real quick. You know what? Let's get on this side, bruh. Right by the exhaust for y'all. Started a little light. This is why my neighbors hate me, bro. That's a little 2K right there, a little 2K revs. It does sound a little lower, a little rumblier. Now hit you with a 4K. And I'm only gonna rep line it once because my neighbor's gonna fucking hate me if I do too many times. Nah, bro. You can hear the leak. It go tss when you try to shut off the car. Oh, hell no. All right, so we're gonna try this POV out once again. The last time I tried this was when I did the intake video. And y'all know how that went, bro. That was a complete fail. Cause I didn't know how to set up the mic as well as the camera, but this time I got it. Look at this. It's a little wiggly, but it ain't falling off though. I've been driving this thing around with the exhaust leak for like a little over a week, and it sounded like ass, it smelled like shit. So this is definitely a huge difference when there is no exhaust leak. sounds good. Got a little like low end rumble. It's definitely a lot lower than just the HKS high power single XL alone. Oh, hey, everyone's a loud guy here, bro. Here we go. Let's go. Wow. Let's go wide open throttle. Alright guys, so that is all for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a struggle trying to get the front pipe and the overpipe on, but we finally did it after a week or so waiting on parts. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. I personally like it. I love the sound of it. Now let me know if we should do headers next, because I'm looking around my neighbors right now. No offense to anyone that it's of the Caucasian color, but my neighborhood is full of white old people. So if I get headers with the whole exhaust system right now, my neighbors is definitely calling the cops, bro. So let me know, should I do headers? And if I do headers, I'm thinking about getting a valved exhaust just so my neighbors don't hate me that much. But that's all for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.